Jack, I have a massive English emergency today.
Oh no, that sounds serious already. What happened this time?
It's a be, you do, and a have. I seriously don't understand them anymore.
Ah, the famous big three.
Exactly. Sometimes I say I'm tired. Sometimes I do work. Sometimes I have finished. Why are these completely different systems? Why does English do this to us?
Okay, Hazal. First relax.
I am relaxed.
No, you're not.
Okay, fine. I'm panicking a little.
Listen carefully because this lesson might completely change the way you see English forever.
That sounds dramatic.
Because it is dramatic. You don't actually have a grammar problem.
Then what do I have?
You have a system problem.
A system problem? What does that even mean?
It means you're trying to memorize random grammar rules instead of understanding how English actually works.
Yes. That is exactly my life right now.
But English is not random.
It feels random.
Nope. English is actually built like a machine.
A machine?
Yes. And today we're going to open that machine together.
Okay, wait. Before we continue.
Yes, I know what you're about to say.
Guys, if you love simple English lessons that actually make sense, don't forget to subscribe to English with Hazal, like this video, and join our learning family.
Because trust me, today is going to click in your brain.
Okay, Teacher Jack. I'm ready.
Good. Imagine the entire English language as a giant building.
Okay.
That building stands on only 3 pillars.
Only 3?
Only 3. Be, do, and have.
That sounds way too simple.
That's because nobody teaches it this way.
Okay, start with a be.
Perfect. Tell me something about yourself right now.
I'm tired.
Good. Another one.
I am hungry.
Another.
I am excited.
Excellent. Now stop thinking about grammar.
Okay.
What do all these sentences have in common?
They describe me.
Exactly. The be system describes a state.
State?
A condition, a situation, a reality.
Oh.
The easiest way to understand be is this. The be system is a photograph.
A photograph?
Yes. Click. A photograph freezes reality. No movement, no action, just a situation.
Wait. That actually makes sense.
If you say, I am tired, that's a photo of your condition.
Right.
If you say, she is ready, that's another photo.
Where?
They are late. Photo.
So be equals state.
Exactly.
Okay, so what about a do?
Now we leave the photograph world.
Oh no.
And we enter video mode.
Video mode?
Yes. The do system is action, movement, energy.
Aha.
Listen carefully. I work. Is that a photo or a video?
Video.
Exactly. Because working is movement.
Right.
Run, eat, study, type, call. All action verbs belong to the do family.
Even if we don't say the actual word do.
Exactly.
Okay, wait. This is starting to make sense in my brain now.
That's because English is visual.
So be is a photograph.
And do is a movie.
Where?
Now let's look at one of the biggest English mistakes.
Oh no.
A student says, I am work right now.
Ouch.
Why is it wrong?
Okay, wait. Belongs to the photo system.
Correct.
And work belongs to the video system.
Yes.
So we mixed 2 systems together.
System crash.
English.exe stopped working.
Exactly.
So if I want a photo, I'm busy.
Perfect.
And if I want action, I work.
Perfect again.
Okay, now explain the monster.
The monster?
The have system.
Ah yes, the powerful one.
This one destroys my brain.
Only because nobody explained it visually before.
Okay, then explain it.
If be is a photograph and do is a video, then have is a trophy.
A trophy?
Yes. Imagine you run a marathon.
Already sounds exhausting.
While you run, that's the do system.
Video. Action.
Exactly. Then the race finishes. The action stops. And someone gives you a gold medal.
Okay.
That medal is the have system.
Wait.
Have means result.
Oh my God.
The action is finished, but now you hold the result.
That is genius.
Now let's use all three systems together.
Okay.
Tell me about your workday.
I'm tired.
Photo. State.
I work all day.
Video. Action.
I have finished 3 projects.
Trophy. Result.
Oh, where?
Same life. 3 systems.
That sentence is beautiful.
Because now you finally see English instead of memorizing English.
I honestly wish someone explained this to me years ago.
Most people learn grammar like robots.
Exactly. Rules, tables, charts, confusion.
But language is visual. Human brains love pictures.
That's true, actually.
When you connect English to images, everything becomes easier.
Okay, test me more.
All right, quick game.
Let's do it.
Photo or video. The manager is angry.
Photo.
Correct. The manager yells at the team.
Video.
Excellent. I have solved the problem.
Trophy.
Yes.
This is honestly the first time grammar has ever felt logical to me.
Because now you understand meaning, not just rules.
Okay, wait. Let me try creating my own examples.
Go ahead.
I'm nervous.
Photo.
I study English every night.
Video.
I have learned a new system today.
Trophy.
I love this.
You're doing amazing.
Okay, but I still hear people say weird things like I have tired.
Yes. Very common mistake.
Now it sounds strange to me.
Exactly. Why is it wrong?
Because a tired is a state. A feeling. A photograph.
Correct.
And have a needs a result or trophy.
Exactly.
You can't hold a tired in your hand like a trophy.
Yes. Perfect explanation.
Wow. This really changes everything.
Now let's do the ultimate business English challenge.
Okay. Pressure mode activated.
You're in a huge meeting. The CEO looks directly at you and asks, Hazal, what's the status of the project?
Okay.
Use all 3 systems.
I am very busy with the project.
Excellent. State.
My team and I work on it every day.
Perfect. Action.
And we have completed the final presentation.
Boom. Trophy.
Wow. That sounds so professional.
Because your English is now clear and structured.
Honestly, this feels empowering.
That's the goal.
I don't feel scared of grammar anymore.
Because you finally understand the machine.
Photo. Video. Trophy.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone listening right now. Your turn.
Go to the comments and write 3 sentences.
1 using the be is system.
1 using the do system.
And 1 using the have system.
Show us your photos.
Your videos.
And your trophies.
And if this lesson finally made English click in your brain.
Don't forget to like the video.
Subscribe to English with Hazal.
And share this lesson with a friend learning English.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everybody.